Betual or for dugu ki commercial break matetidi mawano we pe will ni nenwa mawan watika nen mabeju tutual kiner matene jo mauro wa eno beru de jimis man eneka berechel ma inino ruko weng madong mabeju loy bena en ki kumar me Uganda ma ino chata mabejo long mabejo wa mabejo gin wang tok kone ngoge egani weng tiega kenyo an foot watie I Forest Hill kama inino ni lok mamekwa wan wata nywako na ki iye kun ngat mawatika lok kere eno mera ukelo Jimmy Miles afoya lok ma initika lok ne umeopatika penye la peny piene weng tika doni wia an bero machalo ana inino aptika mer ngeo opportunities chiu mi ne ana kude o mot eni la moge wacha kude o mot akude di yes afoya tutwale
afoya
yeah
then ma wagana ma jemo o wengo gona chim jemo o and then okay right group WhatsApp group mama pejo magene ticket ge pejo ma tio ke the same cargo company so they are communicating one like that WhatsApp group and check shwa don't bill la mele na receipt bill pa URA then kida charges so the whole thing met ke shipment ke da fee we around million a chill ke 95,000 so akara ke biwa ne million a chill ke 95,000 ke kwanye 140 year the $42 manyor their fee was roughly around 900 around 900 something. Now, come 900 and because they have to also to add their money. I can URA can anafase URA anakuma. No match either URA ali mia rio no mia there. Ikom kilo mia kilo piarongwan of the things ma anadu karni. So kilo piarongwan ka actually mia rio no mia there ki URA. Manyor ka take kilo mia rio roughly can atibe ke company or atike URA kilo mia la ramasho mo wale mia beach no million a jet can right and remember kabe kilo mia rio no is still paying like around $100 because kilo can kilo piaron wan 42 manyo kilo mia che roughly around $50
absolutely
kilo 200 around like $100 no football mia de we can from China to Uganda so URA no food still Rama estimating that roughly million share. Can in first you are in Ikumi. Rama like million share. But then can in the meta pay better about which are facing you are a she round to any company. So get that few career and then go metal. But you are HR. So still can now more no food perach. Million share keep your own when it come get almost Jima is worth like 9 million plus. She knowing perach.
No perach.
Yeah, if you're paying million share more. On something in our is like million among one year. No marriage when you parent. So we are banana more and this complaint madame we talk at the beginning for our wise.
Maberka vorkuni to twelve car.
One can go down when because I mean to be honest. I want to take a twin para voya, parang. And girl always get mad, parad word Jimaka, Kara word Jimaka and a pal word.
Okay.
And I gonna ban the just at a channel.
Okay.
Man of corner pot, my train popcorn, you are a corner air tickets. Those are things I'm petting a battering and Mohammed and Amir Air share of Kono. The most important thing, HR and young, Jimatic Kono, it's not about the air tickets, not about the URA. Because to be honest, can you do URA? You're still paying URA. Look at my ETN. It's your local service tax. It's actually local city called tax making
duang
like tax making you watch within any city tax making you gonna train lances
trading
then gonna chock you call service tax making me cholo pia chock you each your labor and then make you are like it's your URA food before it's your trading lances it's your kind so chol might in any tier so you're still going to pay it so paying on in water if you're paying this one it's the same thing chachuru chan URA chalo mega dokana at a chak 150 last year good year achuru 200 I thought this year would be the same amount shida ko merda ko go ko ne kono foale ke mo kum foale ke mo na negotiating ke awen kono arange odwa ka because last year about 200 no an fra bere complete ari na te complete chona ka odwa ka weli ga chon chan era ari ke chero bote kono so do ka te system cha cholo mi ari yone ma this year arange gwa ka ko dugu da da ka complete ke da wela chon chan chido poti wo go ko te na so arno marom ngada chale ne be that 450 I will check it and last actually 200 and before that actually 150 so assessment always keep changing after assessment production chara nyim chara why from 200 to 450 doesn't make sense at least me do action in fact ana mera ngo actually 200 cho kwara ko ma gi kana around 250 actually mega 250 so chimicha tax kene it's something my it's just negotiable you know that you don't bet ke twin you're ready to face something pay lu and you are a people that like that you want to police get a fine you want to money get a fine just because they are not you of course you're going to pay your back you're the computer check one on you tell what they got I remember that 250,000 only it's for 12 months not just on a 1 month you're paying it once in a year you don't pay it every month kiri ngore kiri you are biono bara inong 11 measure me a beach or million a chill no kenane you can afford to pay $1 million a chill but you pay that $1 million once in a month and remember you're buying cars every month it will tin most school or take all 2 point more 3 point more do not take responsibility but then take that you are for that no
mogo be chena money and you are a merni any more chena mabe peram wa namone penel
peram wa namone penel chill but can get biono bone ge mo pa na de ko na no kom na but it's not about that you have to love ngoma intimo and ben ka go biono just pay them let them go. There's that feeling that comes after finishing paying your expenditure like that, and you are a trading license and catch your way to get PO. Banka pay you no in pay you. So ngwa in no take ko ikunga nga take a tiako you better your gang. Dan ka deng yo loka pay you mere killing ngo. Look at the photo mga in cho mere pap ci loka le tu. Na and you are a better come on. Dan ko you are a. Dan ko you are a. So the enemy the same thing. Chara woko madano war chara woko na, but to be honest gini petak gini petak it's just about ina ya mok time because I ka ina war mod gulu town ka en will sit ka en at least every street man in war you can see this one can afford to go out ana yate benga but a lot of shops within gulu sit ka en man normally I see awa ngata mo kampala ka en of course kampala will for really because chaka jimete ko yo kabiono and stock tika to mo mera ngwa en kampala so kilo and kulibala we are wa roman I'll still buy things from Kampala because jome keti marange they bring quality stuff and then chaka
better pegiteri wel maracho
twan now kilibala wel raje that's the only way now because also you're trying to maintain standard but another thing also in business also type down ngoma dealing and then type dealing type down just know your client's base the joma in dealing because ka inge ginane ke charka will man no limiting in ma will gonna well tere or gonna well yoto like you know what to buy because when you're buying now you're buying your customers you buy while ingating in ka tero ngata barka this one can they can afford or they cannot afford but ka in with the jema taro time but o cha amwaro well tere chala ko be chane jema ke I'm selling them a relative price like as before my with company pa mer well make Pamela will make it. So again with time, Kilibara Mera will not get quality take a lack. And of course, Kishar Kono, you cannot buy the same thing with Kampala. No, the Chako Lakalon, greater dome. Ichako and Ngoma injury, you made the quality and you start to bring them. Now, Kasharo Kampala, Jaro Guluka and Jonah and when can a church walk they will get better things. Because to be honest, Ngomadara will walk a China. You're chatting with Longano Raju lawyer down. Worst of the worst. That's what that article because when they go watch your furniture, you need to know your lawyer. For them, the after Ngana will the after garage lawyer. So now, Chara in Donka in Dong, you're not going to Kampala. Will you make Kampala Borola China? Now you're going to dictate. Ingati. My customer can afford these things. I can buy this thing at this price. I bet you are even all the same price. I will compare. I know something better than I will compare. That's the difference. It will go bear compared to I will compare. And then when I can charge bear at the same amount. Or now we're gonna bear my lawyer in that and movie and do you can increase the price little, but still you're going to get something out of it. Now, you know now you joke about discouraging and China. You know, but China, that is true. But Kuno Kechara Polymer dealing nature also. Because with Chinese, the more you buy, the less the price.
The lesser the price.
Yes. So, Ka in Sierra Kuno, Charawan with Imbotique, Kechara Kuno, killing or wilting over attack. And then more so can each will ngo madam will campaign so me will in quantity maduong na wa but then ka e wa che ye jim shara ala shara will jim most of my thing with European market me nyote che area mano munni dana af for global part like America UK o ngogene shara ka will kono so na quality makono pada ke quality ngoro shara par yeni mo cha will ka pada na wa
When you in chere gena be.
ana shara gonna be so the price is actually a bit higher. But then ka na more I can still sell here. Can I make will around more now? I can still sell and make something out of it. When you're will company.
Okay.
That's the beauty. But then I will jump from European market. Catch a channel cannot go. I will not come back with a lot of things. But I'm a channel maduong we are doing maduong.
Okay.
Yes. So catch a channel now. I cannot afford to buy things European market. Let me share a popping on. But Jomaya, but still Kirbacha will and come Ugandans, commercial will in Germany. No, I'll choose better quality than what they buy from than what I buy from Kampala.
Okay.
Because it's just an open market. In nonke kono in ngoma miaro. Because Chinese will pick a Jamaican.
Yeah.
And Chinese will make Jamaican. Any great miaro you can get there. And to be honest, there's a lot out there by the way. There's a lot of business there. You want to listen and understand what business you can get from there.
Yes.
China in China, you'll never come back and be the same. Ka in a bedunga mama ko jeme ka in China ni pap bidu mere gang. Ka bella maro that's where you're going to limit your drinking.
Okay.
Ka bella mon that's where you're going to limit your bella mon because your focus still me a dark chain because of that business idea me picking me making sure because your idea is like to go and buy from there. Absolutely. So in order to do that you need to save. But if you continue drinking, you're not going to do anything. You'll always keep on selling it in the same one. So at the end of the day, they pay it down. But the market is big.
Wow.
The market is big, and that's why you actually what wrong with Kampala and one why a lawyer can afford to buy them.
Yeah.
And then China, most of them I can say they're corporate people, and they're not like one more what we are a bit energetic. We are after we are so hungry for money, like we want to get rich. Giandong they have the money. So whenever they're going out, they're not going to expose themselves on social media. Again, I'm going to China to buy no, they don't do those things. That's why Jomachela China, Northern you never see them. You just even China, China. But Kiribere follow social media, no chaka yes, because now those are now different kind of people. They're just doing their own things. They're not into business. But now for the Biachara, some of these things, like for me, Kenan Anasiara Irodega, Mate and Teba Makashila Kono, I take a posting. I share a quarter day at Makashila Day, or at a child Makashila. I'm not just trying to show you, I'm not just trying to show off. I'm just trying to make you understand you can do it.
It is possible.
It's very possible. Because Anekwa Ben Ashang from Pin and Bionaka in the portal just 1 year back. Remember when I chat again since 2016 and 2024 and I went to China in 2024. So
that was 8 years.
Yes, 8
before,
years.
Yeah.
So Kubecha, even if under lock from your Coca-Cola, we are changing mindset. China, China, it will never happen. We just have to find a way to encourage them to understand me, even if you didn't have the plan. Start to build the idea and okay, I have the money. The guy talk about 20 million. I have the 20 million. Or I can talk to my dad, he can give me 20 million. Or I can get loan. Million piada. I can because I take a take Arca China, bank from me million piada. I think I can afford to go there. But I'm now that's where you can start.
Okay.
Remember before when they pay time out there 8 years to go. Now because you can afford or you have the capital or you have the money or you have the capability money, you don't need 8 years to go there. Just maybe Mokotem within 1 year or within 5 months, within 6 months, within 3 months, it's just up to you. But at the end of the day, when you go that side and you're into business, to be honest, you'll never be the same.
Absolutely.
You'll never lose anything.
Yeah.
Because there's that, because the only thing that will stop you from going right now if you can afford to go there. Any guacne kono kerna kampara jam botaro ni chanagene kono ku kwalo kono go itore o kono flying kick go ngagene Chinese people ku in that way. Chinese people, in fact Chinese people ku those are advanced world like our country. Ma cameras everywhere.
Yeah.
the Gilbo Chiak, Iramo taxi from your hotel, Machare shopping mall, Manichani, Joko taxi and no Kuri Wako. Maybe you have bought something along the way and tainted taxi and Iramo the mall in Remo 2-3 hours.
Not a
Kuri mall. Whether you okay border, whether you taxi, whether you and your call chim and you go chin with taxi and you'll come back and find your money there with your everything inside there. They'll never run. Not like Kampala in Charaka with your border, my tenure border and paying a Kuri. Who's the camera? Kilika take a hour child retrieving all the camera. Can't have a tumper. But again, the advance. Okay, why you can't complain about the minimum when you share the police. Can I make a marriage in the matter? Can I make a plate on that? Can that like
it's simple.
Because all information is there. The police station giving like the information is everywhere about someone. Kaine o kone pub no it is system amegi. Yen yen bero yot. Joma lui it warga lui kake mero yen okay me no they can get you. But now remember kan in do kono e bero kono you know.
No.
So that's what
it's like this. Yeah.
Inga wa ko kono because ge ware and ke lobuche. One kanya po chore pegel pelo pe ware and pelo buche. But again like ku vola vone ku kono pare. The only thing many man are here and most of you are willing kono they also complain about the same thing. And the Chinese will well matter in sizes. Ka initiate ordering in t-shirt and marama again 1,000. It come 1,000 and around a small sizes. Marama like pieces me chile can. You may find small size go carry almost pieces me a beach. That is where they always call nana here. Gikaro ngoma in pay mero. Gikaro sizes ma in pay mero. Ngoma in merne gidi because one kind ma down, which all down.
Okay.
And Genpol they produce more of smaller sizes.
Yeah.
And you size madon find but they find like smaller sizes, material madwong. That is why you know they can cheat you
by giving
smaller sizes because material madwong they will give you the size my email chamadon. That is the only thing my Chinese quality dana. So that means in share quantity will you need to have time making your order charo jo my charo because am je ma charne kind of low in numbers. Type clients my daily can I get out of the go away local. You're the mirror pieces. But of course, even if something what original, only pay be on a shell like okay. They matter for the manufacture madwong, you might they produce madwong. Pay you a shell you madwong ata. So I know ka yera ka no in the bear for okay more pieces priario. That's empty shirt. Most pieces priario. Jomanyang guinea pig you a shell like because you a shell like factor don't make it cool because my shade producing like different design for all this point in the world is hard. So that's why every design they make at least many pieces. So chala anka year pa yero in madwong to year more pieces bicha pa. Since now I also want them to reduce my price. But can I year shade the price can go high. So that means in with China you need to have time. Making order about your nanny. Now American command size command. On that day, make a chiri because the man me money area there. Logo how many pieces? Logo the order me mean again. Can't do full. They always which when they do after 1 week. Can't do full. I can do one more after 2-3 days. Now on that very day, can't do one. If you have the time, can't in chair or yako Jimmy. Can't make it when she gam Jimmy. If you have the time, let them open it. Start checking sizes. Ordering currently. Watch already size small. Marama again PRBG. Already kono large size kono miario. Already kono XL kono size kono mia der. Checking kware. But the parent tie chawa pare. Ano numbers that do not have. In check you know kware better time. So most of the Canada timo. In check no para go parking or dong. You just carry and leave.
Okay.
So now any challenge to you, but if you have the time, you can sit there.
Okay.
You try to cross-check if the sizes are the same like kilometer kene. Ayer makan pe. Kape kilometer kene if you near doing foot pe boat while you don't complaining, you leave more sizes. Go down you more in there. My most cases better pay per year.
Yeah.
And kite police will make a charge make that from the Ghana and the country.
Exactly.
So do not be on your side because Chinese think like they're doing us a favor. They in fact they get him African a favor. They're good people by the way. They're good, but there's that which money can you here, but I can't more Chinese after money. Okay. But of course now when it comes to that in challenge again in that way, I dig in a you put champion and part police of and they also have that mindset that we can know what they are doing as a favor because we have nowhere to go. It's only that country might take on Africa in terms of German the cheap.
Yeah.
America don't produce cheap things. UK
Yeah.
don't produce cheap things. Germany don't produce cheap things. Turkey pay me gonna cheap. Way. So the whole world is looking at them, like especially continent Africa. So in a PM, you complain police. They not help you. Yes, people goes in people in other country. But still, you have to also learn how to work with them. You maneuver around. Next time you can get a client until no more Ratakiwi because at the end of the day, no more Ratakiwi. Mobile with chicken. Y'all could chill career, I don't get it. Most of the time it's my email, but y'all could chill career. Pay look like go to Tete. You know, with him, I met Naka with him, Naka, email, Manga, and also other experience. My own no man from Jaw will come. You have the same complaint. And then Anban out to make come. Sizes my mirror, pay a size book. In fact, Martin on the road and yet I have more bigger clients. And under a year, you down, says mother down again. But mother, no kind, I know paying one. And you're because pay to advocate. Once you can't pay to advocate. Don't be the papa charna. So, but at the end of the day, you want to go to boutique. No, you receive different kind of people. But doing a man, like you said, like I said before, you gonna meet a customer. Maga customer put by John down. Most of these INs people that go to a but then they use again. So mostly Poleno payroll size material.
Okay.
Yeah. But then Karawaja can. One of which we are lowering. Engage you guys a lungy the exposed or the traveling on Morgan. Gina Chintawa get down about Pilorama Diminican. Nange, because I kind of child called Gana Kata, Doha International Airport, one of the biggest in the world actually. So, Ma Kuno, Mano, what I do with because more do you have more hours, almost 3-4 hours. You don't need another plane medical channel. Yeah. So Matic one what they call chama flight or more. And now Laha do a time. And then Minyanko la people doing fine. Minyanko put the VIP about here. Then Kenyans, TZK, Congolese game again. And then I get one time. Now I don't think what don't end within the airport, Kono and then we're paying get a quarter again. Pa American nonge when you get level lamo, Pa American when you can level children American, she don't earn a gang of motor.
No, Matatin. Garling,
why garling? She don't, I check, okay. Maybe that day, Gara. And can I worry? I China. Maybe get to hour, get go do the next day or get a chair, flash out of Kono. Moving in a pot water. But I can't in a pot water. Ora chill more long or with ole more give a book a marker so I felt so lonely to a point but I shall pay the I shall at the Kata Yale. I went a Kata be in China after how long? 3 days after 1 week in a week work Kata from Uganda every day. I went on that it on me at that. Wow. Chomar Ka don't you? And quite a day to be honest. Kata pong every day. I remember much at China. Kata get a 40 on China, Mano Makata for me and Maragan me at that. There are other planes. There's Ethiopian airline, there's also the other airline, Machara China. But now for Kata, Tio down me at that. Chow down me at that. Come down me at deck. Fifteen in down me at deck at this within this airport. Now I can know that I can pay John. Even if we go on the next day, at least all chain more or do Colotian. Nana. She don't want to be in a we are to be honest. Maybe cat traveling tip and long and chaperation get a chair Dubai because China got to be honest, like Otimbia Char, Jomatimo at Wage, Jomatimo Charochat Bonge, the football you cannot find. Gilu and look away like a taxi, like a air tickets go again. Foot poco ya jokono, foot pon yang kono twan. But then, away kidibelka manoko. By now, one should might be a child doing marriage. Because the joke at your kid gum. Madi can afford $1 million PR biji. But it will be a child I lock pian. Joke at him at where kid gum. Mano is worth almost 200 million plus. In China, a share of million mia shell kawido adware. Kidbe tax, but tier.
You do give them a pay.
Do give them a pay. The beauty about that country, baby, we don't want to compare.
Okay.
They will better quality.
Okay.
we will better quality, and you can come back here and sell the same price. So rather than looking for the worst of the worst to bring to people.
Okay.
The team they are looking for what is called worst of the worst. But there's better quality. That's why in Kampala, you find that building are different.
Yeah.
Because the joke team will go direct from China.
Okay.
Because give me are different. Can you will Kampala, you know, already the same thing. Maybe quality of material because Lara wants to make profit.
Yeah.
They want much profit. In fact, the American actually they're looking for much profit. They're not after quality, they're not after you smile. Jockey, they are downtown Kuja, there are so many shops, thousands of shops. But then to be honest, I lack Penikonoba. I lack Penikono, I can guarantee you it's not more than 5 shops or 10 shops. Doing quality things, especially called Daribon. But there are thousands of shops that dealing Jim Kumbang. But there are not more than 10 shops. Now, all we are taking Jim from European market because Jim European market reducing price.
Okay.
Kage mama $100, I charge more $10 again. More charge more $15 again.
Okay.
So now end join and our team also the company, shall will and get you and car sales.
Okay.
Or they always get themselves take contact again can young because then they buy in numbers. In other way. So gen check they can manage to bring quality things and a few take it home. Wow. So just imagine out of all this good Dukanma, even Dukanma artware, Dukanma Gemoikan, they're not bringing the best to Uganda. But in Chala in me aka any immediate all general charter speedy, you catch your Konam sure pay with Jimmy will company. You at least in the quality and the man like no well get a friendly making a take you can still make money because you can get something different from why you be with a company at a price make you can sell the same price. That's right. Or you can actually add more quality things, might get a matter with another because not done a merger at cheap by the way. The jockey want quality for that things. Yeah. So jockey take it goom, jockey caught in wire, jockey to more, jockey take one. It's not just about Konogulu. Yeah. Like northern you got a platch. And kill lang kono. Gin in ka in share kono, you cannot fail. And you can match and do ideas for Duanta. Match Muka rocker million and one, a caviar bitch can, but you can't make money here. You don't call million and 1 million a bitch, do get you chanaka and equity channel. But check and all these things are in young, not only in cherry. The long Madmuata, more shot of bomb. Taco now that business line just because of China. You know that you are parata. You make more money.
Wow.
And now that's what you start doing.
Wow.
And chalo coachman, chalo this coachman da maraka konoke juice ki ma coachman in mate plastic ma chara kwa share pan. Coaching ngewe le China kono. Round mo miario.
Chilling miario.
Miario and kono chara kwa le pan. Miario. Wow. There's this disposable dish man kwenye ma no e kono. Kicharo mia deck. But disposable and berochi you can recycle it. Yeah. You know work on it you can again. Berochi now plates. Let me just say that. But the bottle cool disposable. Okay. Even that disposable cup might matter juice in. Madam ma kan ke tiu kono manai special you go again. Yeah. Make ke tike mo kenyo. Chara ka inu ke tiu kere ba. Iwa ere kuma eme tike de kan. But now those are the things my in pangne pingote okay just so many that was doing another guy Wikipedia. Aba na those small things and me nga take equal you make money. Now this disposable this maka ene. Ichara kono in a restaurant, they will charge you for it like around 2,000. But again, we will be a bit. I remember money in my way, I around ticket for any, he come to me area. And of course, go that okay. Can a me area? Remember for tax for pay, but you can pay. Kiri better carry tax, round beer for me a bit. Makiri kill a round at 1,000 each. You round at me a beer because in in thousands. You round at me a beer, me a bar. You'll still make your money. Yeah. Because in a equal to beating man with my mother with it. Lengo and is very strong. Yeah. And even the cup my arm talk my wife matter juice again market juice. Leng mama pe pork end. Maka in a killing up where win.